Welcome back everybody. I'm Kevin, this is Careless. As you see the title of this video, I'll be reacting to another footballer. This footballer I'll be reacting to is called Ryheem Stering. He's from Jamaica. He used to play for Liverpool, now he plays for Manchester City. So he's a very good footballer. I like the way he plays. He dribbles a lot. That's why I like the way he plays, dribbles a lot. So let's get straight into the video. Enjoy. And it begins. Ryheem Stering.
Everything I used to dream being real right now.
G that, yeah? G that.
I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they don't either. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gonna forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth, my life been exposed. Talking to fans and we in it together. I'm never gonna turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping
John Star.
matter to me if the curtains are open to close. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never
Can't only G.
asking when the new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and never got options. Always bringing more on these rappers, take caution. Always been bossing.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yo, take time ball man, I'm also. Bye bye. Take turn yes man. Speed. Epic goal. No, that real? No. Another one. Grindminutes. One thing I noticed in the football nowadays, all of them tend to keep the ball almost the same. Like they dribble down the wing and then cutting and just fire. Easy to score. Gotta keep on stretch, like really stretch to get the ball. Oh, good try, underneath. Invest in myself, already knew the projection, drowning in all of my wealth. Ryheem Stering from Manchester City. Wishing that everyone started with millions of dollars and do what they wanted. I wonder how many would still go to college or follow the dreams and not worry about following this real. Everything I used to dream in real right now. Stop, man. Sure. Yeah, I keep on going till the lights go down. Hey. Keeper can't even go for that. He even move. What he's trying to do, but watch out, he fumble. He still score though. He's trying to star.
Whipping in the lot, ooh. Pull up in the coupe, don't got no time, ooh. Catch a boy, he whipping in the lot.
They're saying that Ryheem Stering is the #1 footballer in England right now. I'm not saying that, they're saying that. I'm just repeating what I heard, that Ryheem Stering is the #1 footballer in England right now. Well, matter of fact, in Europe right now. Okay, you guys can just comment below and say what you want to say, because that's what I heard. I'm working off what I heard. This is just using speed against him. If you pray the always dribbles, he's using his speed. Mostly he's using his speed against him. And I don't think he's really a fast pace runner, but because he had this as a sudden burst of speed, yeah, that's what's killing him. Catch your boy, he whipping in the lot. Pull up with the coupe, don't got no top.
I looked at my wrist, it cost a lot.
I really wish he played for Jamaica, but I understand why he haven't played for Jamaica. I understand, so I won't throw his stones or anything.
That bitch wanna fuck me on the spot. I looked at my wrist, it cost a lot.
Okay.
Like the sun, I wanna shine.
And again, can't stop.
They saw me go up, now
Speed.
these niggas up.
Speed. Yo, we are pushing me, kill for. We are the youth.
I'm just too laid back on these niggas.
Bye-bye.
I
What's
feel
up?
like Peter Pan, my nigga. I'm just fly. You niggas
From
fake
here,
it,
youngster.
disappear like
What?
bubble
Wait, so
wrap.
fire one, what?
I pull
Yeah,
up
that's
in
what I
that
do.
thing and skirt.
Oh, good pass. Nice.
Put her hands on my body. She gon' drink all the nut like it's coffee. She wanna ride the D like the Nolly. She say she wanna kick it like a Ollie. Catch your boy, he whipping in the lot. Pull up with the coupe, don't got no top. I looked at my wrist, it cost a lot. Wait, that bitch wanna fuck me on the spot. Catch your boy, he whipping in the lot. Pull up with the coupe, don't got no top. Wait, that bitch wanna fuck me on the spot. I looked at my wrist, it cost a lot.
Good one, good goal. Good goal, Ryheem. Dang. Yo, John was star. We got a lot to hold him watch on him with star.
Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Why you gotta use me like that? Yeah. Okay, you know me, you owe me all the time you told me, you show me all the ways you grow me, you phone me when I got money, you hold me, but I know it's phony, you faking, then we texting, you flaking, told myself to be patient, and now my whole body aching, and I'll be going to get it alone, knowing the way and I'm ready to go, knowing I'll never be ready to slow, knowing the money is ready to blow, knowing I've never been telling no lies, knowing I'm never gonna show a disguise, hit up a phone and
Hey, what a take down. What a good first touch. No, sir.
I'm certain, I'm curving, phone on disturbing, I'm busy, who with me, I got no time for burdens, I'm burning, see the top and I'm flirting, but I'm thinking about the time I could've had it, I've been
From we out. 9 minutes. Dad.
Almost known, always out on my own. Yeah, on the ground like every night, can't take me out of my zone. Yeah, playing this all at 15, 20 now when it came true. Killing every track, killing every verse, that's just what it came to. Every city we ran through, they wanted more. Ruby girls wanna settle down, but I just ignore it.
We cute.
Sorry babe, gotta fade away. Making noise, I got 808. I can't help if you fall in love, can't stay around, gotta get away. Don't hit me up last year, you turned me
KG
down.
foot. No, no.
Since you saw my name and
Chop. No, man. That was so predictable. Well, as a player, I predict other players that do still over. Watching they can change it by body language easily. Like a few one style like run around you. Will he fire? Will he fire? Will he fire? And oh, you almost fired. No one is there. And here comes Ryheem. Okay, people, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy that. I enjoyed that. Like, I really enjoyed that. So remember to like, share, comment below, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe so you can support me and know whenever I upload a new videos. Also click that bell. Yeah, that's very important. Click that bell. So I'm Kevin, this is Careless, and I'm out. Peace.